Hello crafty friends, I'm Lean from Studio Kato, and I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I wanted to share all the cards that I made with the new Spellbinders clubs of October. It's a little late, but there's still time to subscribe if you want them, and they will come available later on as well, but they will be a little bit more expensive. So yeah, I just wanted to share what I've made with them this month, and I think they're so adorable for Christmas. So let's go over them. This is the small die of the month. So you get a little bear, a bunch of string lights, a little penguin, and some accessories to dress them up. And they're just so cute. I love them so much. So this first card, let's put these out of the way for a second. This first card, I made the image pretty much as intended. The only thing I didn't include is there is a star that goes on top of the bear's head as well. And in the background, I used the Joyful Candy Canes 3D embossing folder, which is also a club of this month. I really like it. It's pretty much strips of a design, so you could cut it out as well and create a border. That would be really fun, but I just use it in the background. And my second card I made with the small die of the month is this one. How cute is that little penguin swinging on the ornament? So this ornament is from an older set. It was released last year. This is the Festive Ornaments die set. It was designed by Nicole Spohr. She always designs such clever collections, because these actually have add-ons to make them into Santa Claus or reindeer. There's a bunch of things you can do with these ornaments with that add-on die set as well. But I just used the ornament die and a little bit of decoration there. The sentiments I'll also show you because I used them on a couple more cards is from the Mistletoe Greetings BetterPress plate and die set. So you get two separate sets of sentiments, and they each coordinate with one of these banner dies as well. The longer sentiments you can't cut with the dovetail dies, which I was a little bit disappointed by, but I think it's still a good set because you get so many fun sentiments for Christmas. We all make a bunch of Christmas cards, so it's really great if you can mass produce some sentiments, I think. So yeah, that's what I used here. And the embossing folder in the background, it's also an older one, but it's a goodie. It's the Evergreen 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders. Again, this was released last year, but it's such a good one because it's pretty subtle, but it's so pretty for Christmas. So yeah, these are the two cards I made with the small die of the month. And let's move on to the large die of the month. The large die of the month is a little bit different. It is a very clever set. But I have to say, I wasn't sure what to make with it. I eventually made these two cards. But yeah, this die set isn't really my style. I see a lot of people love it online though. A lot of people that I know bought it. So yeah, I think it's fun and it's unique. I just don't really have a recipient in mind for them. I think that's what bothers me the most. I like the design. I have no idea who to send these cards to. But yeah, you make these little slippers with the animals on top of them. You can also make some, so you have the reindeer, the penguin, there's also a Santa, a bunny, and you can make these like the monster feet slippers. These are really fun, but I wanted to make Christmas cards, so I took advantage of that because I don't often want to make Christmas cards. So yeah. I made these two. In the background, you can see also an older embossing folder. This is the Ski Lodge embossing folder. It's a regular one. It's not 3D, but that's fun too. I just almost only have 3D embossing folders. This is a good one. A fun little sweater pattern. So yeah, that fit the cozy vibes, I thought. So these are the 2 cards I made with a large die of the month. There is also a sentiment included in this, and it says warm and cozy wishes, which is also fun. Next up, and lastly, definitely not least, because it's probably my favorite club of this month, is the BetterPress Club of the Month. So you get 4 striped BetterPress plates, and you create this beautiful plate design. I love it. It's called Design a Plate. It also comes with 5 sentiments, BetterPress sentiments, so you can foil them. I love foiling my sentiments, and a coordinating die for those as well. So these are the stripe plates. These are 2 separate plates, and then you have 2 shorter separate plates. I really, really like it. And then you get the registration template as well, so you can layer them up exactly as intended, which is also very handy. So yeah, this is a must-have in my opinion. This is the card I made with it. I love the colors, I love the penguins, this is my favorite card I made this month. It's such a good one. So I included one of the sentiments from the BetterPress set. This says Warm Winter Wishes. And then the main die set I used is this Playful Penguins die set from Simon Hurley. I love these. These are so, so cute. And that plaid is gorgeous. You can do it in any color. I chose very, very pinky, girly colors. But you can make, I think plaids are great for masculine cards as well. If you do them in greens and blues and some red in there, would make a great Christmas card, I think. So yeah, these are the cards I made this month. Lots and lots of them. Well, only 5 actually. But I had a lot of fun with them. So we have the slippers from the large die of the month, the plaid from the BetterPress of the month, and then, of course, this adorable bear and penguin from the small die of the month and that Poinsettia 3D embossing folder. I hope you like the cards. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments. I would love to read them. Yeah, that's it. I will have videos coming up with the small die of the month and the BetterPress of the month as well. Not sure when, but I am editing them, so they are coming up soonish, I'd say. Hope to see you then. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!